Hey viewers, today I am going to give a lecturate over co-education topic as it is frequent in SSB lecturate. So I am going to give lecturate on that, and what you can do that you can point some or you can note some points from my lecturate such that it will help in lecturate when you will prepare for that. So I am starting the topic for the co-education. Good morning all. My name is Garvit. I am going to give lecture on co-education. So as India is on the way to be a developed nation or superpower nation, and for that education is also an important factor to achieve this. Not only education, co-education is needed in a country such that in our India there is no discrimination and there is equality all over the India. So instead of education, co-education is needed. Now the thing is that what is co-education? It is simply a system of education in which males and females studied or educate together in the same environment such that there is no discrimination between them. Also, it is called mixed sex education and mixed gender education. If we talk about history, then first it was introduced in the Western Europe as some protesters were raised boys to study boys and girls together to read Bible, and Greece was the first country who introduced that. Now there are some pros and cons of co-education. If we talk about pros, that is the first pro that is it will remove the fear of it will remove the fear in the mind of both the genders such that they can interact with each other, and it will lead to the better understanding between them. Also, this co-education will help in the institute such that there will be no need of separate institute and allot separate resources for the girls. And when the boys and girls build together, then the result will be good such that they can easily understand the other gender perspective and view. Also, it will help to the orthodox and the conservative parents and people's mind such that they can send their girls all over the India and any university. Also, when this co-education will be in country, then all will get the same environment, and the thinking of the people will change. But also there are some cons of it. The first cons that is as our nature is human nature and it is get attracted to the opposite gender. So if there will be co-education, then it may be possible that one gender can attract toward other one and lose concentration over studies. And also by seeing the rape cases and other things, parents get some distracted that how they will send their girls in other state. So it is also a challenge for the co-education. But for the solution, it is needed that as pros are more than the cons, and co-education is will be implemented as it will be done only by not us. It will take our support of our parents also. So I think co-education is the best system of education to educate our youth such that they can understand the ideas, and they can understand better the opposite gender such that they will excellent in their field and give best result in all the spheres to make country successful.